All right, bear with me if my hands are shaking on this. This is European Ensemble Control, starting off at 2 a.m. This is the 6-hour precip MSLP in 850s. Yeah, watch this come in. This is 8 a.m., 2 p.m., 8 p.m., 2 a.m., and then everything's up into New England. I want to okay, let me look at the precipitable water. So we'll bring it in 8 a.m. Well, I'll go back to this morning. Went through. So we're at 8 p.m. right here. It's an inch and a quarter, inch and 3/4 solid. Already at 8 p.m. 2 a.m. higher precipitable water values coming in, well over 2 inches. It's 2 1/4 up in central PA. You run this through. Now this is 2 p.m. tomorrow. We have over 2.5 inches of QPF parked in Fulton County right there. And then it runs up and it increases to 2.68, might as well say 2 3/4, but solid area of 2 1/4 inch plus across central and south central PA, and as far as the eastern PA and Jersey and Delaware and Maryland. But I want to go back. I wish I could split the screen. I don't think I can. No, I can't. I wanted to do it on. I don't think I forget what product that I could do that with, where I could split the screen. Maybe I'm imagining things. Anyhow, I want to go to the 850 200 millibar wind shear. You'll be able to see the low track come in right here. Comes up. So this is 8 p.m. tomorrow. I'm going to show you low location on the control. I think based on what I'm seeing in the mean is lower. It is further south. So, and see how it jumps to that's 2 a.m. Bring up the QPF with that. Low comes in. You look at here, this is okay. So 8 p.m. seems to be the big deal tomorrow. That's when it looks like per the mean that the heaviest precip is going to be over us. Look at the heights. And look at the upper air wind. Look at the 850, 200 the wind shear here. Yeah, that's all. Look at it, that southwest wind. You can pick out right where that freaking. So this. Right in there. That's where we're going to get that heaviest, the best deformation set up, because if you get the low down here and that low tracks like that, so bring this back in. I lost it. So low is off the Jersey Shore. Yeah, so it looks like that 8 p.m. tomorrow. I mean, the big thing is, where is that low track? Is it up here in southeastern PA, or is it down near Baltimore, DC? That's going to be huge. So this is the mean, and I'll jump to the control. And look what it does. It doesn't seem like it's that much of a difference. But, so you got, at least unless it's tricking my eyes. Yeah, the axis as the low on the mean, the axis of heavy precip shifts down. If you watch the control, it shifts up to the north and west. So that's gonna be really huge. The GFS ensemble mean, similar track to the Euro mean, but the heaviest precip is further north and west here. I want to see what the wind shear looks like. Yeah. But this is oriented a little differently. So if you look at 8 p.m. on the mean, the GFS mean, and look at, it's not much different. A little more south-southwest wind orientation on the European mean, and more of a west-southwest on the GFS mean. As for shits and giggles, look at the Canadian. No, the Canadian mean, I think in my opinion, the Canadian low track makes more sense in regard to the low track, the positioning of the heaviest rain in relation to where the low track is going to be makes more sense than what the GFS and the GFS mean and Euro mean are showing. We'll look at the wind shear. Yeah, you got that. You got all that lift going on right in here. And look where the heaviest precip is. Go back one. Right here. So, look at the vort. Look at the QPF, MSLP. Go back to the 700 vort. Look at the wind. Yeah, you can see the south-southwest winds in relation to where all that energy is at 700 millibars. Look at the 500. Yeah, 700 level is the key is the key for this in regards to deformation banding. So this, yeah. This is perfect in regards to the heaviest precip, the heaviest rainfall. Right there. So, in my opinion, looking at this from the ensemble means, that is, the Canadian is, in my opinion, making the most sense. I'm going to take that off. Now when I look at the QPF, yeah, the Canadian. I'm sorry, the Canadian got this. It might. Let me look at get out of here and look at what we got with the precip. So yeah, I don't think it has the precip totals correct. Now granted, this is the mean. Let me look at the QP, all the members. So there's the chart, and we look at five. Yeah, I think the Canadian ensemble mean has the right idea. I'm going to go back to that 700 vort one more time. You can watch the heavy rain come in. I mean, this is the vorticity, but Yeah. Can watch that axis. Where the lift. You know, watch with the shear. Watch that come in. Boom, right there. Heaviest rain. Heaviest rain. Look at that shear. And the vort. This is going to take a while to upload, so hopefully it's quick.